Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Grid operators just used AI to predict a blackout 48 hours before it happened. They didn't prevent it, load was too high, but they coordinated with solar farms to curtail voluntarily. Farms with AI dispatch systems did this automatically. Farms without lost $500 to $2 million in emergency compensation. Your solar farm is about to experience similar situations. Most operators won't see them coming. Today I'm showing how AI-enabled solar farms are moving to the front of grid value chain while traditional farms become footnotes. Tomorrow's grid operates with 60% plus variable renewable energy. Wind and solar dominate supply. Grid operators face constant instability. They need flexibility. When supply exceeds demand, instead of curtailing all renewables equally, they'll ask which farms can curtail smoothly and which will fight them. Farms with AI dispatch systems answer instantly. We can reduce output 30% in 5 minutes without infrastructure damage. Traditional farms with fixed dispatch? We don't know. Our contractor manages that. Guess who gets preferred treatment? Guess who gets compensated for flexibility? Guess who gets relegated to commodity pricing? This shift happens in 2026 to 2027. Operators who position now capture $100 million to $1 billion in grid services revenue. Operators who sleep on this lose competitive position permanently. You're thinking, grid services are complex, that's a utility problem, not our problem. You're wrong. Grid services will become 15 to 25% of your revenue in 5 years. Today, you're paid for energy produced. Tomorrow, you'll be paid for frequency regulation, voltage support, ramp rate control, reactive power, curtailment flexibility. And it's all software. AI dispatch systems can provide these services automatically. Traditional fixed systems cannot. This is the next competitive frontier. Here's how to prepare. Step 1. Evaluate current dispatch systems. Can you adjust output in real time, 5-minute intervals or better? Most contractors say yes. Then ask, can you do this 100 times per day for 10 years without degrading equipment? Watch them stammer. Step 2. Implement AI dispatch layer on top of existing systems. Not replacement, addition. AI handles minute-to-minute optimization. Your contractor handles day-to-day operations. Step 3. Get grid operator agreement to participate in pilot programs. We'll provide X megawatt of frequency regulation, you pay Y per hour. Early movers get pilot contracts that lock in rates. Step 4. Document your flexibility capability. Grid operators need proof you can deliver. Baseline data plus 3 months of performance equals credibility. We've covered grid operators' shift toward flexible renewables and how AI dispatch systems position farms at the front of the value chain while traditional farms become commodities. The window to move is now. By 2027, grid services will be 15 to 25% of renewable revenue. Your fixed dispatch farm will be worth 20 to 30% less than AI-enabled competitors. But you can change this. Schedule a free grid services readiness assessment. We'll evaluate your current dispatch capabilities, design AI layer integration, and show your potential grid services revenue. For 50 megawatt farms, this typically reveals $500 to $2 million in annual grid services opportunities. Book your assessment. First 25 operators get a grid services commercialization plan. Grid operators are moving to flexible renewables. Farms with AI dispatch get premium compensation and grid preference. Farms without get commodity pricing. By 2027, this gap equals 20 to 30% revenue difference. Here's how to prepare now. Take action now. Schedule your free grid services assessment, dispatch capability review, plus AI integration design, plus revenue opportunities. Current dispatch system evaluation, AI layer feasibility analysis, grid services revenue potential, $500 to $2 million per year for 50 megawatts. Commercialization roadmap. Book today. First 25 operators get grid services plan. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.